This is Mixxer's Wood Studio. In this video, we'll be working with the jointer. The jointer creates a smooth, flat surface on one side and one edge of a board, with the table and fence serving as reference surfaces to create a 90-degree corner. You'll use other tools to square the opposite side and edge of your board. Be sure to wear boots or closed-toed shoes anytime you're working in this shop. Also, secure or remove any loose-fitting clothing to avoid getting them tangled in any moving parts of the machines. Mixxer provides safety glasses and earmuffs, which can be retrieved from the case beside the restrooms before heading into the wood shop. It's recommended that you wear this safety gear not only when you're operating a machine, but whenever anyone in the shop is running equipment. Remember, always unplug the tool first if you have any reason to place your fingers near the blade. Start by adjusting the fence to be sure the width of the wood can pass over the blades as the guard opens. Then, lock the fence in place. Next, set the depth of the cut by rotating the wheel below the infeed table. The setting will depend on the piece you are cutting. Hardwood and more surface area requires a more shallow cut. Each mark represents 1/32 of an inch removed from the surface. A 1/32 inch cut is a lot to remove from a wide piece of wood. It can tear the wood and be difficult to hold onto during the cut, so it's rare that you would lower the infeed table more than that. For a narrow piece, around 1 inch wide, you may drop the infeed table as low as 1/16 inch. Open the gate valve and turn on the vacuum to collect the dust produced by this tool. Then, turn the jointer power switch on. Use the push pads to protect your hands while sliding the wood across the blades. Make as many passes as needed to create a smooth surface. When you have finished with this tool, be sure to use the red switches to turn off the power to both the jointer and the vacuum. Then remove any wood pieces and sweep up sawdust, leaving the area clean for the next person. Let Mixxer staff know if you would like additional assistance with the jointer or any other equipment in the wood shop.